Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator from Cal Fresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about Swiss chard. Swiss chard is considered a leafy green that is related to the spinach family. The Spanish name for Swiss chard is acelgas. The term leafy green is used for vegetables that are grown for their leaves and stems. Leafy green is used to describe vegetables like cabbage, spinach, turnip greens, collards, kale, Swiss chard, and bok choy. Swiss chard comes in many colors: red, green, yellow, and even orange. Young plants of Swiss chard have small, tender leaves and a mild, sweet flavor. Did you know that Swiss chard is actually a type of beet? It's known as a bottomless beet. It's grown for its edible, nutrient-rich leaves. Contrary to what its name implies, Swiss chard did not originate from Switzerland. It actually was first grown in Sicily, Italy, but was named first by a Swiss scientist. Like other leafy greens, Swiss chard is low in calories and sodium. Swiss chard is a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It is also a great source of manganese, iron, and potassium. Vitamin A is great for maintaining strong eyes and healthy skin, while vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. Vitamin K is great for helping your blood clot. Manganese helps the body form connective tissues, bones, and blood clotting factors. Iron helps maintain many important functions in the body. Your blood uses iron to make hemoglobin that helps your blood cells carry oxygen, and potassium can help maintain healthy blood pressure. Getting hungry for some Swiss chard? Check out the link below for the Swiss chard pinwheel bread recipe from eatfresh.org. What's your favorite Swiss chard recipe? Make sure to wash your greens just before using to reduce spoilage. Swish the leaves in a large bowl of cool water. Let rest briefly to allow the dirt to settle, and then pat dry. Cooking greens like Swiss chard are known as a cool season crop, but can be ground and harvested year-round. Plant Swiss chard in rows 15 inches wide. Scatter the seeds in an inch apart and then thin 6 to 10 inches between each plant. Swiss chard not only has the coolest array of colors, but they're really delicious too. Remember, the Spanish name for Swiss chard is acelgas. Thank you for joining us on this spotlight of Swiss chard as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy Swiss chard this month? See if you can find Swiss chard in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month!